Mezcala House by TAQ Arquitectura in San Juan Coasal, Mexico. Our inspiration comes from the dynamics created by its surroundings, the Ahuilote tree that is on the site, the mountain, and Lake Chapala, which shaped the layout of the house. An important reference for the design of the project was Mezcala Island, located in Lake Chapala, through its levels, and the use of rooftops for views, arches, and windows. The vegetation in the house is a mixture of tropical plants and cactus. The vegetation of the house is a mixture of tropical plants and cactus. The intention is to create restful environments filled with naturalness and freshness, in harmony with the materials and the surroundings of the house. The materiality is the first expression of the house's personality, with neutral colors and a combination of textures, creating a sense of calm and continuous rest, natural oak wood, jute, beige slate stone, and micro-cement that resembles the chukum finishing technique, connecting with the surroundings and filling with energy through natural lighting and accompanying vegetation. The house has 4 bedrooms, 2 of them are for guests, while the others are the children's bedroom and the master bedroom. We decided to place the pool and social terrace area on the 2nd floor to get a better view of the surrounding hill and Lake Chapala. The entrance is formed by an interior courtyard with a water fountain, and upon entering the house, there is a long hallway in the form of a vestibule, with furniture facing towards the large Ahuilote tree. Additionally, the house has a kitchen, dining room, study, wine cellar, laundry area, machinery room, and different patios that form between the spaces and intersections of the construction volumes.